Okay, I'm recording.
Let me record for a minute.
No.
Yeah.
No. Watch out, fucker.
Oh.
I hope I got that.
Oh, dude, is there a mark?
Yeah.
Dude, that hurts. Like right in the crack of my jaw. Wow.
That shit's funny.
And I got my toe. My big toe.
Do it again.
You do something. Dude, that hurts so bad. What are you still recording this for?
I don't know.
You're not doing nothing stupid, you're just wasting camera stuff. Oh. Fuck. Did you see my head bounce off of it?
Yeah, hopefully I got the video
You
tape.
should watch it. See if it's there. You're dumb. Why do you do stupid shit that I know you're gonna do?